Jai Jagannath. Hello students, welcome to my math multiple choice question series which is meant for 10th class CBSE students. This is most valuable series which will be most effective for you. I will discuss one by one questions. So stay connected and watch video regularly. Let us discuss. First question is the pair of linear equations x plus y equals 6, equation 1, and 2x plus 2y is equal 12, equation 2. Equation 2. Here question is these two linear equation has option 1, one solution, option B, no solution, option C, infinitely solution, infinitely many solution, option D, exact two solutions. How we solve this question? Before solving the question, we should have known some basic things. That is, first one, what is a linear equation? Then, what a pair of linear equation means? Thirdly, what is the solution of equation? Then, consistency. What is consistency? Linear equation means the equation in which the highest power of a variable is 1. 2x, for example, 2x. Here, power of x is 1. 2x is equal to 1. This is a linear equation with one variable. If we write linear equation with two variables, it will be 2x plus 3y equal 6. This is a linear equation in two variables. Then what is its standard form? Now its standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation. Clear? Tell me what is linear equation? Now, the equation in which highest power of a variable that is unknown quantity x, y, z, p, q, its highest power will be 1. That is a linear equation. What a pair of linear equation? Now, two linear equation with the same two variable, two linear equation. 2x, suppose first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal 0. Equation 1. Another equation, 3x minus 5y equal 7. Equation second. Pair of linear equation means not two linear equation. It is one equation, it is one equation. One linear equation, it is one linear equation. With the same two variables, same variable xy. So, this is the pair of linear equation. A1 stands for coefficient of x. B1 coefficient of y, C1 is constant term for equation 1. Like this, for equation 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. A2 is coefficient of x, b2 coefficient of y, and c2 is constant term of equation 2. What is solution? This is the equation, this is the equation. What is the solution of these equations? The value of a variables means xy, that satisfy both equations. The value which satisfy the both equation, this is known as the solution of the equation. Then what is constancy? Constancy means it tells whether a pair of equation has a solution or not. The equation has solution or not, it tells. The question is, the pair of linear equations x plus y is equal 6 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 12 has option 1 solution, no solution, infinitely many solution, 2 solutions. The question asks about the solution. In order to find the solution of equation, linear equation, we should know conditions for constancy. There are 3 cases. One is case 1, case 2, case 1, case 2, and case 3. All if you know, the standard form of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0, equation 2nd. A1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is constant term of first equation. Seventy a2x, a2 coefficient of x, b2 coefficient of y, c2 constant term of second equation. To find the solution of linear equation, we should know conditions for consistency. First, we make the equation into standard form. First step, write in standard form. The question is, x plus y equal 6 or 2x plus 2y equal 12. This is the question. X plus y equal 6, 2x plus 2y equal 12. First step is write in standard form. Standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. X plus y minus 6 is equal 0. Similarly, 2x plus 2y minus 12 equal 0. Then write in standard formula. Second step, identify A1, A2 coefficient and name of B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. It's here A1, 1, 1 equation 2, A1, 1, B1, 1 coefficient of Y, C1 minus 6, A2, 2, B2, 2, C2 minus 12. For this question, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Then find the ratios. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 1, A2 2, B1 1, B2 2, C1 minus 6, C2 minus 12, minus 1 is cancel, 6 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. So all the ratios are equal. A1 by A2 half, B1 by B2 equal half, C1 by C2 equal half. All ratios are equal. If all ratios are equal, A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2, then go to case 2. Case 2, A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. In this case, both equations represent the same line. If we plot the linear equation in graph paper, it will be a straight line. Mind it. All linear equations are straight lines. So x plus y equals 6 is one equation. 2x plus 2y another equation. It is a linear equation. It is also linear equation. If we plot in the graph paper xo x dash, yo y dash, then it appears like coincide with each other, overlap with each other. Suppose this line is L1, it represents for this equation x plus y equals 6. Then if we plot 2x plus 2y equals 12, it will overlap. It will coincide with each other. L2. Condition of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Both equations represent the same line, ekka line. This equation and this equation, both equations represent the one line. This system is called constant and dependent. Infinitely many solutions. What type of solution it asks? One solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. If A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2, then we get infinitely many solutions. Clear? Answer C is correct. Then I will proceed for further steps. One more, case 1 and case 3. If a equation is like 2x plus 3y equal 5 and 4x plus 5y equal 10, it has one solution or no solution, no infinite solution or two solution. If option is like this, we can test. First write in standard form, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal 0. Then 4x plus 5y minus 10 equal 0. Write in standard form to check about solution. Second step, identify A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. A1, A1, 2, B1, 3, C1, minus 5. Equation 1, this is equation 2. A2, 4, B2, 5, C2, minus 10. Identify A1, A2, B2. Then first step is find the ratio. Find ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 2, A2 4, B1 3, B2 5, C1 minus 5, C2 minus 10. 2 by 4 is equal 1 by 2, 3 by 5, minus minus cancel, 5 by 10, 1 by 2. Here we find A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equal 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal 3 by 5. Case 1 condition. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the two lines intersect at one point. If we draw a graph, plotting in a graph paper, the first equation will be a straight line, and second equation also will be a straight line. The two lines intersect at point P. P is common point in both the lines. So two lines intersect at one point if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. When the system is consistent and independent, only one solution, unique solution, no other than one solution, no more than one solution, only one solution is possible if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. The condition case 1, we will consider case 1, case 2, then come to case 3. If the question is like this, 2x plus 3y equal 8, 2x plus 3y equal 8, equation 1, and 4x plus 6y, 4x plus 6y equal 10, equation 2. Well, first we write in standard form. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal 0, equation 1. 4x plus 6y minus 10 equal 0, equation 2. Then identify A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 substitutes. A1, A1 2, B1 3, C1 minus 8, A2 4, B2 6, C2 minus 10. Third step, find the ratio. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 is equal to A1 by A2, A1 by A2, 2 by 4, B1 by B2, B1 3, B2 6, C1 by C2, minus 8 by minus 10, minus 10, 2 by 4 equal 1 by 2, 3 by 6 equal 1 by 2, minus 1 cancel, 8 by 10 equal 4 by 5. From this we know A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2. This is half, this is half. Case 3, A1 by A2 equal B1 by 2 is not equal to C1 by C2, is not equal. A1 by 2 half, B1 by B2 half, but C1 by C2 is 4 by 5. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by 2 is not equal C1 by C2. Then two lines are parallel, never meet. Two lines, if we draw in graph paper, this equation, equation 1, will be a straight line. Linear equation are straight lines. This is L1. This represents for equation 1. For equation 2, another line, L2, they will parallel to each other. They never meet. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by 2 is not equal to C2. If they never meet, they have no common points. So there is no solution. The system is inconsistent. Mind it, the question is like this. Two lines intersect at one point. This condition, system is constant and independent. This condition, only one solution by unique solution. This condition. Like this, both equations represent the same line, but both lines overlap each other by coincides. Then this condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. The system is consistent and dependent. A constant and independent. This system is constant and dependent. If A1 by A2 is not equal, B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 C2, the two lines are parallel, never meet, no solution. The system is inconsistent. Well, mind it, there must be one or two questions from this chapter. Mind it. Thank you very much.